I feel good. Good morning, friends. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I just woke up, I'm in the comfort of my bed, and it's Valentine's Day, or at least I hope it's Valentine's Day when you're watching this. It's going up on Valentine's Day, and I've done a lot of Valentine's Day makeup tutorials in my day. Like, I have quite a few. I'll leave them down below for your enjoyment. But if you're like me, and you have been single for 23 years almost, you don't have any Valentine's Day plans and you don't really have a reason to get ready for date night, right? So this video is for you guys. Today I just thought I'd put like a little twist on the Valentine's Day content that I've put out in years prior, because I wanted to do kind of like a vlog style self-love kind of video. I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm super nervous because I've never like done this. I always take Valentine's Day as a self-love day, and I always either spend it with like friends or my family. Today I'm gonna spend it with my family because I'm visiting them. So I don't know if we're gonna do anything special or not, but it's just we're gonna spend some time together, and I'm also gonna take the day to do some of my favorite things, just pamper myself, you know, because even though it's not Valentine's Day yet, I just wanted to film this so that you guys could see it on Valentine's Day and hang out with me on Valentine's Day. So if you're in the mood for some self-care and it's VDay and you're feeling a little meh because you have no one to spend it with, don't worry, I got you. So before I officially get my day started, I just wanted to chat a little bit more while I'm still in bed, and let you guys know how my self-care days start. Today is Sunday, so I have the luxury of sleeping in. It's not even that late, it's like 10 a.m. Sleep is like my favorite thing ever. I'm a sleepy girl, I sleep a lot. So that's like the ultimate form of self-care for me. You know, just sleeping in, being comfortable in bed. I kind of wake up, check my phone, fall back asleep, check my phone again. It's kind of my thing, you know? So it's like my special treat in the mornings. And then another thing that I love doing, and this I do every single day, is reading. So after waking up and checking my phone for a while, I'll grab a book and read. I'm currently reading... One second, I'll bring that to you guys right now. I'm currently reading Goodbye Again, Essays, Reflections, and Illustrations by Johnny Sun. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I bought this because the cover looked really nice. But so far so good. I'm over halfway done. It's a really short read. It's not my favorite book I've ever read, but it has some really good stuff in here. And I spend like 25 to 30 minutes reading, depending on what I have to do for the day. But I always try to get my reading in. I love reading, so I always have to have a book with me, and I always have to make some time to read. That's like my ultimate care of self-love. As for the rest of the day, my plans are kind of up in the air. They're not very solid. I'm gonna go on a walk in a little while with my parents. And then I don't know what we're doing. We're probably just having lunch. And then for the afternoon, I think I'm gonna just do my own thing. Spend some time by myself, which is what I do best, and do some things that I love to do. So I'm probably gonna have to get up right now and go put on some workout clothes, which I'm not excited about because it's cold outside and this bed is really cozy. Oh my god. But I'm gonna go do that. And I'll probably see you when I'm on my walk. I'm gonna try to film a little bit of that, so see you soon. Okay, we are walk ready. It's freezing outside, so I'm wearing cozy and comfy clothes. I'm just gonna run some water on my face and apply some sunscreen because I'm probably gonna be doing my full skincare routine when I get back. So let's just wait till the water warms up a little bit. Bad idea putting this on before doing this. And for my sunscreen, I'm just using the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. I love this. You guys know if you've been here for a while. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And we don't want the sun to get to us. I mean, we kind of do because vitamin D, but we don't want it to do anything to our skin. Okay, so I'm ready for my walk, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go downstairs really quickly and grab some iced coffee. I like to do mine with either cashew milk or oat milk. Freaking love those. And today I'm feeling hungry, and because it is a self-love day, I'm doing avocado toast because carbs and avocado are my love language. So I'm probably just gonna whip that up real quickly, eat it, and then I'll be good to go for the walk.
I'm back from the walk. It was fun. It was like 2 hours long. It was excruciating at some point, but I'm so glad I did it, moved my body, and now I feel so much better. Now we're gonna eat burgers. Why did I say that weird? We're gonna eat burgers. We ordered some and they're coming soon, so I'm gonna eat that with my family. I put on some comfy clothes again. I did my skincare. Went without makeup because I didn't feel like doing any makeup today, and I feel like I don't need it today. I feel good.
I must admit, one true ways to show myself love is shopping. You know, some might argue that I'm a material girl, but yeah. And also, like, I like to treat myself. I do it a lot. I do it all the time. But there's something about doing it on Valentine's Day and having the intention of doing it with love that is a little different. So I'm just gonna shop for some stuff. I have been wanting a new perfume. And I recently just discovered this dossier. And they basically dupe high-end perfumes. This has been around for a while. I just didn't know about it, so I'm trying to decide which one I want. I've been eyeing quite a few and they all look so good. You know, they have like the one for Santal 33. They have, oh, I think I know which one I want. They have so many, but I think I know which one I want. Okay, I've been wanting to try either the one that's a dupe to the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, yeah. So maybe that one, or let me see if I can find the one I want. Okay, here we go. Floral Rose. I'm not like a rose girl, but I've been using the Le Labo Rose 31 body wash yesterday because my dad actually is a fan. So I stole it from him because I can't afford it. But I love the scent. I love the scent, and maybe this is my new scent. Okay. It's called Floral Rose, inspired by Le Labo Fragrances Rose 31. Retail price of that one is $192, and this one is $39. Well, top notes are rose centifolia, cumin. Middle notes are vetiver, incense, cedarwood. Base notes are musk, cistus, and amber. Oh my god, and they have a candle also, but it's out of stock. Oh, I'm gonna buy this fragrance for myself because self-care, we love to smell good here. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. Oh. Amazing. I just freaking bought a perfume, you guys. Shopping for things that I don't buy all the time, like fragrances and stuff, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel so good. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try it out, test it out, and I didn't spend a lot of money on it, which is amazing. So I'm gonna leave like the link to the fragrance that I bought down below. I think it's pretty neat. So yeah. Now let's talk about some other self-love gift ideas, because you know what? I'm the queen of self-love gifts, of buying shit for myself. It's my passion so much. You can do so many things. Like there are particular things to yourself, but then there are, you know, the regulars. Like you can buy some makeup. Like, oh my god, buy yourself like a Gucci lipstick or something. It's bougie. It's like, you know, an act of love for yourself. Or yeah, some skincare, some like fancy skincare, or a nice face mask or something. I think that's totally cool as well, and it's like an experience too, you know what I mean? Like you're putting it on and you're doing all things and you're taking care of yourself that way. Or you could also buy like a really nice body moisturizer, like body butter or something. Oh, I think that would be so nice. Something that helps you take care of yourself, you know what I mean? Something that's like an experience that's gonna make you feel better instantly. And then there are things like, I just bought like some underwear at Parade. I love Parade. I've bought underwear from them before, and underwear can make you feel like so good about yourself. And I love Parade because they are sustainable. They're a little bit more expensive, but I've had really great luck with them. And I think, you know, it's also something to make yourself feel good, make you feel empowered. Like it's a good like self-love gift that you're not going to be purchasing all the time. And then if you like to read, for example, you can buy so many books. There are so many, like you can buy like coffee table books that you can read, like skim through, have it up as decor, or buy books for yourself to read. You can go to the bookstore and like pick out books that, like, that's one of my favorite things to do ever, and make an afternoon out of it and just spend some time by yourself, or go to your favorite coffee shop and, you know, splurge on your, wow, I look bad, but you know what I mean, like just splurge on your favorite coffee, buy the big one, and just have a blast by yourself. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You don't even need to spend money at all if you don't want to, but it's all about just getting in the mindset of showing yourself love through little gifts. Okay guys, so now that I am bathed, I'm relaxed, I feel clean, I look good, I feel great, and now I'm gonna do some self-indulging and watch Little Women for the 1000th time. Greta Gerwig's version, of course, because Timothée Chalamet is Laurie. That's all I have to say. This is my favorite movie. I bawl like a baby every time I watch it, so it's a perfect movie. It's a perfect movie for some self-love. Oh, yes. I'm ready to have my heart broken. Well, well, well. If it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Movie is over. I have shed my tears and now I am ready to do some skincare, brush my teeth, and get straight into bed to get some very well-deserved rest. We all deserve rest. It's the ultimate form of self-love, in my opinion. I love to sleep, so I'm ready for that. But before I go, I just wanted to share some words on self-love because self-love is such a broad term and it means very different things for everyone. Also, depending on which stage of life you're on, it can mean very different things. But one thing that we can all agree on, I think, is that it is really hard. Loving ourselves is really hard, and it's not something that happens overnight. You have to work towards it. You don't just wake up one day and you're like, I love myself, I accept myself fully, and I rock. There are periods of time in your life when you're gonna be like, wow, I'm doing amazing. You look at yourself in the mirror and you feel confident, you're doing amazing work, you feel fulfilled. And then there are times in your life when you're gonna look at yourself in the mirror and be like, no, I don't like what I see. I don't feel comfortable in my own skin. What am I doing with my life? And I'm currently going through one of those periods myself. And it sucks. You know, I don't wake up as excited as I should about my life. I look at myself in the mirror and I feel icky. I'm trying to work to get over that. One thing I love to do when I feel like this is to look back at myself 5 or so years ago and be like, dude, look at all the progress you've made. You have good times, you have bad times, but look at how much better off you are than you were 5 years ago. And that really kind of motivates me to keep trying and keep going. And I know it can be especially hard when everyone's talking about love and like if it's Valentine's Day, you know, it's like couplely love or friend love or like self-love, and it can become this kind of toxic positivity kind of thing where it's like you have to just love yourself. Like you have to love yourself. It's hard sometimes, and especially now where it's all over the place, it can feel overwhelming. So I just wanted to kind of do this video so that if you're feeling like, ooh, I'm kind of struggling through this, like, ooh, I don't really feel in the mood for loving myself or loving other people, I'm here. This is a safe space, and I get it. I get it. It's very easy to hate ourselves. It's painful, but it's comfortable, and putting in the work to love yourself is hard. And I know we're all trying our best. The goal here is not to love ourselves every day endlessly. I mean, that would be ideal, right? Accepting yourself and loving yourself and looking in the mirror and being like, I am the best ever. But that's realistically probably not gonna happen to many of us. You know, we're all gonna have good days and we're all gonna have bad days. But what we kind of want to get to is to have more good days than bad. And that can only happen if we put in the work. So I love you guys. I hope you take the time to love yourself today and every other day, even if it's by doing little stupid things like taking a bath, watching your favorite movie, or simply letting yourself sleep in a little bit. Those are the things that look small today, but they add up to something greater. So remember that I love you. If you're going through a tough time, it's okay. Better times are coming. You're not alone. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone. Mwah.